Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench, at the empty workbench. The topic for this video is very simple. I want to humbly thank you, all of you, for your support. To those of you who have subscribed, thank you. To those of you who have liked or shared videos, thank you. To those of you who have watched some or all of the 600 videos, thank you. Without you, there would be no me. Yes, I would still be me. I would still have my workbench. I would still do my woodworking. But at this point in my life, the key is to share knowledge, share inspiration, to share. Now, to those of you who have been gracious and have adopted some of my tools, some would say bought, thank you. The table is starting to clear out. It's going to be time to take this table out as I'm contemplating redesigning the workshop. And I have so many more tools outside where I need that table to lay things out and see what's going to stay, what's going to go. There are literally thousands of bits and bobs here. Everything from Yankee screwdrivers and hand drills to augers to braces and bits to the dozens of the screwdriver tips that have never been used. Whenever I found stuff, I would buy it because they're not making this stuff anymore. So thank you to those of you who are adopting my tools, and I wish you nothing but the best. And be a good caretaker, take good care of them. And to those of you who find it compelling to make donations to the channel, thank you. Your generosity almost has no words. Who am I? I'm just an old guy with very little money trying to share what he knows. So thank you. That's about it for today. And when I say for today, some of you have pointed out when I say, that's all for today, the next thing you get to see is the second video. So I guess I need to start saying, that's all for now. Wishing you all the best. Many blessings to you and yours. And thank you. Walter out.